Hello everyone. So we'll be starting our stream today and we've got some stuff we want to touch up on. So first we will need Elementor Pro. You can get it in actually this is mostly for quality of life things. It's not really needed. Just the base Elementor will do if you wanna like what we could do last week. So I'm just gonna install Elementor Pro now. So to do that, you just go on the Elementor website, you log in, and yeah. Mhm. Let's open up local, start our website. I'm just gonna download the. So you download the Elementor Pro plugin from their website after you bought it, and the features that they have is they have more features definitely. You can have access to all their Pro widgets and their forms and everything. So I've downloaded it. I'm going to open it in the site folder, install. Just gonna go on to plugins, add new plugin. Activate, and then they'll tell you to connect and activate, which I'm going to do. So to activate Elementor Pro, you just click on I can activate, then they ask you what plan. You should have already bought a plan. Just click activate my license. The thing about Elementor Pro, the license only lets you use it. Like there are various plans. The base plan only lets you have license for one site. But the good thing is that they don't really count your activations for staging sites. So for your website to qualify as a staging site, you need either a dev specified in your URL or something like that. Yeah. Yeah, so we've got Elementor Pro now. And now we can do some new stuff. So something like here, you can have an animated heading like this. Yep. So now you can add like the typing animations and things like that. Right? Then you want to change the text color. It can be something like this. You can change the typing speed over here, and we click update. That's how it will look like. Yep. And then, like for now, what we did was have our games go directly to the itch.io page, right? But what we want to do is have a dedicated page for each of them. So we can do that with Elementor Pro. We just have to design the template for each entry. So now that we have Elementor Pro, we can go onto Theme Builder, and under single post, click add new, and now you have access to the template. So as usual, we'll start with the padding and stuff. Now this heading is, set like about, but we don't want it to be like that. So what we can do with Elementor Pro, variable titles like this, the post title. So this will take up whatever post is on it. So for example, because this is the template, right? Oops, sorry, this is the wrong page. So I'm going to put it here, paste it here, so I don't have to recreate it again. So instead of having about me like that, I'm going to put the variable post title over here. And it's going to take the title of the post. And then here, I'm going to put the, it really depends how we want to structure our entries. So basically what we're going to do, our posts in the WordPress are going to be our portfolio entries. So I think how we should design it, maybe we start with an image. So the featured image goes here. And then let's see, portfolio. Oh, there are no templates for portfolio. It's okay. Then what other information do we need in a portfolio entry? Hmm. We probably need so the title can go here. How should we do it? Anyway, we should rename this to portfolio entry for the template. Then ensure this is centered. Remove the requirements. Oh, I have an idea. So we have a banner over here. So this will take up about the same height as our heading, our hero. So it's about 5 on the top, 10 on the top, 7 on the top. Yeah, something like that. And maybe we can make the image our background. So the thing about Elementor Pro, you can have dynamic settings. So instead of having like a fixed image, like something like this, right? We can choose the image that is the featured image. So whatever I set as the featured image should be in here as the background. And for the overlay, we're going to have about 0.8. Just so we can read the text. 0.7-ish. What would it look like? Yeah, it looks something like that. And we should make it not repeat. Attachment should display should cover. Yeah, something like that. Attachment should be fixed. And we have this little effect. Okay, back to featured. And then can have another container. Yeah, 2x2. A 2-column container. We can put 3. Three by 3, and then we add the post content. So this would be the contents of the portfolio. Then we can add a button. Check it out. Maybe add a heading. This will be H3. Something like that. Post meta. Yeah, then we put the info over here. Actually, we'll do that later. So click publish, We add condition or posts and we save. So now that we have our template, we can create any post over here and it will display according to the template. So for example, if I add a new post and I set the featured image to this, the floor is lava, then I add the title to this, click publish, and I open it. Looks like this, but we don't want it to repeat. So let's go edit the settings over here. Should not repeat. Yeah, so we have it like that. And now we need a new variable for the link, which is what we need to set up. Hmm. Where is the... Oh, So I should go to there we go. Custom fields. Under preferences, custom fields. Then we can add a meta, add a new custom field, enter new. So we need an ID. Let's go with portfolio dash link. Then we will add the link over here. And then we will need a Yep, so now that we've added this, we save it, and then we can edit our portfolio entry. Take note our custom field is such portfolio dash link. So when we edit our portfolio entry and we change this, it should be post custom field. Then since it's not here, just put it here and update. Then we just open in a new window. So now when we have it, now when we view the post, we're able to click on the link provided in the meta. And then we also want to be able to categorize our posts, our portfolio works. So we will have something like, so under our post, we have this thing called categories. So we can add things like university and personal. And then we can go assign our posts. We can get rid of this. Quick edit and set it to personal, for example. And then we can create more. So let's go with pixels. So we should need the featured image should be something in HD, something with a good resolution. Right, and custom field. Something like that. Hmm. Yeah, it works, but we need to ensure that our text is more visible, so I'm going to darken it a bit more. Under style, background overlay, going to increase the opacity. If you want a little glow, we can have like a gradient. But it doesn't look as nice, right? Yeah, it doesn't look nice. So we'll go with solid for now. Right now, our portfolio page doesn't really have, it's like our things are directly placed here, and we want it to automatically update as we add new entries. So what we can do is top and bottom. Wait, what am I doing? This is heading. Oh, okay. I think that's what I did wrong as well. Anyway, so what we have here, we can add a post archive. There's cards. Actually, we'll just keep the old one first. This is the wrong one. I've been doing it it's supposed to be on padding, not on margin. Mm. Then we can go with a heading that takes us back. Something like that. So now we can navigate around. So this goes back to our portfolio. And then what we can do next is add a archive under templates, team builder. That is our single post, right? Archive is basically the page where you will either like search or display something. So that's what we're going to do. And we will simply just copy whatever's on our portfolio page. Instead of this, we will have a variable archive title. Fallback would be my portfolio. Then for this, we will have padding of EM3, bottom. You can put a post like that. Archive posts. So you can choose the skin that you want it to be displayed in. I'm gonna have it in cards because I think cards looks the nicest. As you can see, we don't need the date, we don't need the comments, and we can just remove the avatar. We don't really need it. And then we can make it rounded. Maybe about 25. Hover effect. Yeah, something like that. Yep, so we got the categories. 3 column. Yeah, so now whenever you add a new entry, it will automatically display. So now we need to set our archives page. So the posts page will be our portfolio. So now whatever we have on our portfolio will be overwritten with our template, like that. And yeah, let's go change this example to our university. We need to touch up on this a little bit. Actually, inside our portfolio will be like games. Yeah, we're gonna rename it games. Hmm. Title of this is about me. Then we get back here. We rename this to our portfolio archive. And our fallback title will be games. Right. Then sometimes we want to specify what we made this in. So we will add one new meta. We'll call this scope, portfolio scope. And for this is made with Unity. So let's write Unity game engine and we'll add it here. Actually, it shouldn't be called scope, right? It should be platform. Platform, portfolio platform. There we go. Updated it. And now back on our theme builder, single post, we can add this platform entry. So we put the header here, platform, then we add our little content. We take our text editor. Instead of this, dynamic tags, custom field, portfolio dash platform. So now it'll tell us that it belongs to the Unity game engine. Then if I want something like Godot, I can just write it here. Portfolio platform Godot, for example. Yeah, something like that. And we can go at the other entries as well. Chunky chase. So here's the steps. So step 1, title. Step 2, thumbnail. Step 3, description. Do we have a description for this game? Oh yeah. Something like that. And then we add our link either to the itch.io or the Google Play Store, depending what you want. For your platform, I assume this is Unity, so I'm just gonna write Unity Game Engine and click publish. Oh wait, one more thing. Post categories. It's a personal project. Yeah, there we have it. Chunky chase. Let's see, what else can we add? Maybe we will add a oh yes, we should add the year, right? Because usually you want to know the development year. So what we can do, post info, we will center this, and then we will keep the date and custom. Wait, actually this terms just category, and on date format will be just the year. And our icon, change the color to this. Now it's all coming together nicely. Now if you made like your work before 2024, for example, what you want to do is just change the publishing date to the year that you made this game in. So for example, this was made in 2020. I can just set this to 2020, and then I click update, and now when I go on it, it will say 2020. So yeah, category. Now, how do we want to now we can also add to the menu our little categories. So personal and university under our games like this. And now, but we see that it's not the color we want. So go over to our header, on menu, under our design. Ah, there we go. What would this look like on the phone? Nuh-uh, that's pretty bad. Under hover, right? Oh, there we go. It's under off canvas menu. So we change the background here. There. Much better. So the off canvas menu is the menu in tablets and phones. Our main menu looks like this. And yeah. And we save it like that. Hmm. Okay, this is not what we want in the transparent header. So back to our primary menu. Should not be black under here. How are we gonna do this? Oh, it works. You don't need. Yeah, but when I do it under games, what does it look like? Okay, this works. Transparent. Okay, looks good. Hmm. Actually, no, I think it's fine. Page for HTML. Okay, now we can create the CV and the contact pages, I suppose. Hmm. CV. Next, we will create a CV page. You'll follow the about me as well. I put it like that. Then we will put experience. Here we can add 2 grids. So for experience, actually we add a grid like that. Columns 2, rows 4 rows. something like that. And something like that. No, it's not aligned. Never mind. Still centering it. Oh, oops. This is the grid, right? So we need to add a container here, container here. Okay. This is 3 column, 3 rows. Okay, company 1, company 2, and company 3. Something like that. Okay, what's next? Here we got our skills. And for this, we add another grid. Maybe it's 1 by 3 now. something like that. Then we set the icon color. Icon color to that. Something like that, yeah. Then 3 and 3. Put a call to action here. What are you waiting for? And put a nice little button like that. Hire me now, you know, like that sort of thing. Contact me. Something like that. Yeah. So now our CV looks like this. Okay, then we add this to our menu. And let's make our contact page. Contact pages should be about the same here. And same as usual, we put a contact here on contact. Then we copy this form. And yeah, we are done with this portfolio, more or less. We have this, we have this, and we have this. We add this to the menu. And there we go. Yep. Anything else we should add? Yep. Now to get the links working. So the button over here, We're just gonna put the slash contact. Portfolio, personal, university. Yeah. For that. For some reason it's a bug that doesn't let me render everything. Hmm. Yeah, I think that is all that we need for now. What else do we... Yeah, if you want to add any additional images or whatever in the content, so this is using Gutenberg, so you can just add like widgets like that, images, something like that. Like if you want an image within the post, or like any videos that you might have. Yeah. So it's up to you how you want to structure the content. And for now, this is what we have. And yeah, that should be it for this live stream. Thank you for watching, and maybe we might touch up a bit more next week. But for now, this is it. We'll see you